In this short video, I will talk about the dissertation course of the higher degrees of WILP. Dissertation is an important course in work integrated learning model of education as it enables the integration of learning. In work integrated learning, the word integration is the key. What does a student actually integrate is something that we need to understand. As per the popular definition, work integrated learning focuses on integration of theory with practice. In a work integrated learning program, classroom is the place where theory is dealt with and workplace is the one where practice takes place. This is essential for an education model to be termed as work integrated learning. Theory can be defined as a collection of concepts that are related to one another in a meaningful way. Using this relationship, we can make predictions or interpret certain phenomena. Practice is about observation and experience. Theories are generally context agnostic and practices are contextual. Dissertation is an opportunity to explain or predict the outcome of a practice using theory. Thus, dissertation is an essential part of every work integrated learning program. We should make sure that every dissertation addresses this aspect. How do we do that? There are three important questions that will help us ensure this. The first, which practice triggers the dissertation? The second, which is the underlying theory behind the practice? And the third, how are the practice and the theory related? Both the students and their mentors should constantly ask these questions and try to find the answers in an objective way. This is the way in which you will solve complex organizational problems using first principles. There is an alternate way of solving such problems, which is called analogical method or case-based reasoning. In this approach, we try to solve a new problem using the methods that solved a similar problem in the past. Say, for example, the way in which the medical community treated COVID before the mechanism of the virus was deciphered. It is suitable in situations where the fundamental principles are unknown. But in normal circumstances, this can lead to trial and error and inefficiency. If not formally trained, most of the working professionals will use this method. But a student of the work integrated learning program should always seek to solve the problems using the first principles as detailed earlier. The organization mentor and the faculty mentor should guide the students to adopt this efficient method of problem solving. When done well, this can benefit the organization as well as the society at large. In addition to this, we have a few more requirements for the dissertation course of the work integrated learning program. The first, we need to make sure that the problem selected is relevant to the program. While there can be many burning problems in the organization that need immediate attention, the one selected for the course should be related to the program undertaken. Number two, the rigor of the problem is commensurate to the unit requirement of the course. Number three, it will offer sufficient opportunity to demonstrate creativity, critical thinking ability, conceptual knowledge, and communication skills. Number four, there is an active participation of the organization in the project. And the last, number five, a systematic problem solving approach is adopted. There are three ways in which we can ensure the quality of the work. The first is periodic review and providing constructive feedback. Number two, technical and academic support. Number three, access to laboratories wherever possible. The dissertation is considered well done when students are able to demonstrate the requirements mentioned here through their work, artifacts, and reports during the mid-semester and final reviews. If you have any further queries, reach out to the WILP division. Thanks for watching.